Hello, my loves. It's Kasha, Plannerista 101. Today I have Happy Mail from the LTL Print House, and I want to show you what they have sent me. So I am actually on their PR team. They have a very small, exclusive team. I was so excited to be picked. So let me show you really quick what was included in my PR team or PR box, and then we'll go from there. So super exciting. Oh wow, that's a lot of stuff. Okay, let's pull this. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at this. Okay, so I'm on their creative team. Like I said, let me show you what I have so I can share this. Their stickers, you guys, are absolutely stunning. So I want to share all of this. Okay, so first is a sticker album. So LTL Print House. Look how cute. And then, oh my gosh, their stuff is so adorable. So you get bad vibes don't go with my outfit, little keychain. They included a notepad. I'm gonna try to slide this because this came with a beautiful wax, but look at this notepad. Isn't it gorgeous? And I love having stuff like this on my desk. So I'll show you everything that was included. And then the stickers, you guys, the Valentine stickers, if you haven't seen the reel, oh my lord, right? Whoa. It is a beautiful. And then they included a couple of their signature ones. Look at this. Like, how stunning are those? And they have a little LTL one. And then let me show you these, because holy moly. Okay. Wow, these are beautiful. Look at these corner pieces too. Wow. Wow. Yeah, I am so in love with this. I mean, I've been looking up their stickers for a while. I'm not sure why it didn't push me to purchase, but now I purchased a whole bunch and they're coming. So I will be able to share more with you guys, but these are stunning. Look how simplistic they are. Anyway, so that's all I have for you guys. It's going to be a super quick video. The link for them is in my description. So LTL Print Shop, it is on Etsy, and the code you can use is KASIA15, so KASIA 15, and let me know if you do. I want to be able to say thank you. And if you use my code, thank you so much. It's no extra cost to you, but it does help the shop know that you guys are coming from me. Thanks so much for watching, and I'm so glad you were here. Bye.